Most people overcomplicate email marketing. They spend hours writing, they stress about funnels, or they waste money on ads. But the truth is, you don't need any of that. What you need is AI Scale Stack. AI Scale Stack is a beginner-friendly system that takes the guesswork out of email marketing. It gives you everything you need to build and grow profitable lists without writing a single email from scratch. Here's what you get: a 4-part training series that walks you through each step, and the Inbox Ignition Pack, 4 AI bots that do the heavy lifting. They help you brand your business, define your audience, create your email voice, and write complete emails in minutes. That means no writer's block, no tech stress, and no content grind. Just a clear automated way to build your list and turn it into income. Plus, there's a 60-day money back guarantee. You can try it with zero risk. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start email marketing, this is it. Use the link in the description and sign up for AI Scale Stack today.